Good morning, everyone. Zach here with Zach's Weather Shack, and I wanted to give you an important update on what will be known as the blizzard of 2016. Now, I want to go over the different scenarios of how we can get anywhere from 16 inches all the way up to 34 inches of snow here in central Maryland. Now, what you're looking at now is a GFS model. Now, most of the models have been showing a bullseye zone, and what that means is it's an area somewhat like this of anywhere from 30 all the way up to 36 inches of snow. Now, right now, the GFS model shows us at 32 inches for northern Anne Arundel County, 34 inches for western Anne Arundel County, and 30 inches for Baltimore. Now, will these snow totals pan out? Maybe, maybe not. Generally, the models have been showing a range anywhere from 18 to 24 inches. But like I said, this bullseye zone, it's been all over the place with models. The models have not been consistent with that. It's been right here, it's been over here, it's been over here, it's been everywhere. So we will not know until the storm actually happens where that bullseye zone will set up. If you take a look at the Euro model, there isn't really a bullseye zone. It's just a wide stretch of 20-inch snowfalls. As you can see, it shows 20, 22 to 23 inches for central Maryland, almost 2 feet. But there isn't really a bullseye zone. You get a little area right there. But I don't usually do this, but I have to somewhat say the European model is wrong because I really believe there is going to be an area where you're going to get 30 to 36 inches. So if you take a look at the Canadian model, it shows snow totals 24 to 27 inches for central Maryland. However, the bullseye zone is mainly over northern Maryland and southern Pennsylvania. Like I said, with these models, they've been all over the place. They've been here, they've been here, they've been absolutely everywhere. So if you go ahead and take a look at where these heavy bands will set up, the GFS tries to say that they'll set up in central Maryland, but really they could set up anywhere. They could set up over here, they could set up over here, and that'll really be the difference of who gets the 30 to 36 inches. There has been some rumors of some sleet and rain mixing in. I have to neglect that just because recent models have shown that the air is going to be much cold enough just for all snow. In order to have all snow, your HPA temperatures, which is your temperatures up in the sky, need to be below 0 degrees Celsius. As you can see at this time, it'll be -6 for Maryland. However, in this area, you are likely to get some sleet, freezing rain, and all rain mixed in. Another aspect is these winds are going to be very tough on the beach erosion. This may be an historic storm, especially for Ocean City and points northward, just because of the winds. They could be tropical storm force or even hurricane force. If you take a look at the winds for us, we will see that it points us somewhere between 48 to 52 knots. Now that's a gust somewhere around 62 to 66 miles per hour. So that's well high enough for a blizzard. In order to have a blizzard, you need to have winds in excess of 35 miles per hour for at least 20 seconds. I believe we will achieve that, which is why, in my opinion, this will be called the blizzard of 2016. Now, my final snowfall map will be posted sometime tomorrow morning along with my final calls. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate everyone watching, liking, and sharing my posts. And everybody have a great day and enjoy the weather.